Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Raiman bin Ismail. Okay, nowadays in the pandemic of COVID-19, there is a standard operation procedure or SOP that we must follow. And one of the SOP is we cannot do or play sports such as badminton, sepak takraw, and many more. To make sure that we still stay fit and healthy, the government allow us to jog and exercise, but in individual only. However, if we only jog and exercise alone, we will be boring and lose our spirit to exercise, and end up we will be lazy to exercise. So the problem now is the sport club cannot be open during MCO. So for now, we cannot do any other sport activity except jogging and exercise. But if you have a space at your home site, you can install a net to play badminton with your family. But with the normal net, you can only play one sport with your family. The net also cannot be bring anywhere because it needs a net pole. The normal net can also easily torn, which is not long lasting. So, how to solve this problem? Okay, now I will introduce a product that can solve the problem. The product is multifunctional sport nets. So what is the multifunctional sport net? So multifunctional sports nets is a net that with adjustable net, pole and synthetic net. So the adjustable pole is just like this. Okay, then it also comes with a special bag, which is you can bring it anywhere. You also have a sponge around the pole to prevent from injury. What is the function of this net? So with this multifunctional sports net, we can play sports such as badminton, sepak takraw, volleyball and tennis. This product can be used at anywhere, at any court or any open and closed space. This multifunctional sport net also are very useful to use because it can be used for many kinds of sport to stay active and healthy. So with this one product, we can use for many sports. So with multifunctional sports nets can help you to stay active and healthy in this MCO time. You will not boring and it will also increase your spirit to exercise and stay healthy. This is because with this multifunctional sports net, you can play the sport such as badminton with your family member at your home site. The family relationships also will grow closer and friendly. So with this product, there is no an excuse for the people to say that they cannot play a court sport such as badminton in this COVID-19 era. This is because with this multifunctional sports net, you can play many sports at any time and anywhere. This multifunctional sports net is easily to use and can be bring anywhere. You can play badminton at your home. You can play sepak takraw at field, and also you can play volleyball at the beach. This multifunctional sports net is also easy to install, which is in only in 5 minutes. You can start playing and use the net. So this product have a lot of benefits, which is we can use at anywhere and at any time, because it also come with a special bag. And then this product also has a multifunctional for many sports, like I have said before, like badminton, sepak takraw, volleyball and tennis. And that's why the name is multifunctional sports net. Then the product also long lasting, because it comes with synthetic net and net wood, which is also equipped with sponge around the pool. So this multifunctional sports net are suitable for all ages to use. And lastly, for the conclusion, these products are useful for a person that like to play a sport such as badminton, sepak takraw, volleyball and tennis. During this pandemic, with this product, you can play a sport with your family. So not only you stay active and healthy, but also your family will stay healthy. This is important because when we have a healthy lifestyle, it will help us to prevent from getting severe illness. So COVID-19 is not an excuse to stop exercise and play sport. There are many ways to stay active and healthy. One of them is with this multifunctional nets. So my last word: stay active, stay healthy, stay safe, and stay home. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.